Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be basically kind of adding a few pieces to my room to just, you know, spice it up a little bit because my room's a little boring. So today I worked with Desenio to basically add prints to my room. The prints are freaking amazing. Like, they're amazing, the prints that I picked out. So I'm so excited to show you guys. I'm about to go to IKEA because I didn't get enough frames from Desenio. So I just have to get a couple more frames. Honestly, I really need to double check what exactly I bought because I don't even remember. But anyway, let's go to IKEA. I just spent 2.5 hours at IKEA for 3 frames. 3 frames. And I'm still not even like sure if I want the frames that I got. I like the Riba frame, but it was too thick and I just didn't want something so thick and heavy. But then these frames that I got, they seem kind of cheap. I mean, they were cheap. So I guess if something's cheap, like it's cheap. I don't know, I'm so tired and hungry. I'm not making any sense. So it's been about a week since I was at IKEA, so now I'm finally going to be showing you guys my frames. I'm so excited. I got 2 picture frames to go above my bed. Honestly, looking at this, it already looks like the quality is better than my IKEA frames, but it's gonna work. Everything's gonna come together. Now for the actual pictures. So they came in this nice little black thing, I guess, to kind of like protect it and keep it straight. So this is the first picture I got. It's super pretty. I really love this one. Then I got this really pretty line photo. I love this, and the quality of these are really nice actually. To go above my bed, I got this one and I got this one. I just think these are really simple and super pretty. I actually have a coupon code for you guys if you guys are interested in getting prints from Desenio, which I completely recommend because just the photos alone that I got are honestly so beautiful. So you guys can use my code Allyson for 25% off your purchase. There are some exclusions, but I'll list those in the description box. This code is only available for 3 days. So if you're interested in like getting a frame, I suggest that you just go on the website and like look at some stuff because it's only valid until midnight, February 27th. I also want to mention that the frames that I got are 40 by 50, but the actual pictures are 30 by 40. So if I don't put a picture mat on, like it just won't work because I need something to fill out the frame. So that's why I have that. And this is also from Desenio. You think something's not right?
It doesn't look crooked, it just
looks off.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh, look how fluffy this is. Okay, so this is the final section I'm going to work on, and besides my bed, this is the section I'm most excited about because I just feel like this wall in general is just so plain. Like there's literally nothing going on. So I'm excited to put this frame up. At first I was going to hang it, But one, I ran out of command strips and I just thought maybe instead of hanging it up, I should just like put it on my makeup table. I think that could be cute. I mean, if I don't like it, I can always change my mind. Okay, so this is everything. I'm honestly so obsessed with how my room looks right now. I feel like it looks so like homey and like cozy, and I don't know, I just love it so much, and I'm so happy with the way everything turned out. So don't forget, if you guys want to save on these prints, definitely check out the Cenio and use my code Allyson to get 25% off your purchase. Honestly, I would not miss out on this. So if you guys really want to check out the Cenio and like the prints that they sell, I definitely recommend it because guys, this is just so nice. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.